Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be doing something real easy. Spring's coming, so everybody's going to want to get out and grill. We're going to be doing some really good chicken leg quarters on the Weber Kettle. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's go. Okay, the first thing you want to do when you get your chicken leg quarters ready is you want to rinse them real good, and you want to make sure the skin and everything is really dry. Then we're going to take a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to put a coat of olive oil. We're going to do this side first. Just get a good coat of olive oil on here. This is going to help the skin crisp up. Won't be so leathery. Okay, we got that done. Now I've got a rub here that I mixed up, and I will put the recipe for it right over here. So you can mix it up. It's a really good recipe. It got a little bit of kick to it, but it's really good. It's got some chili powder in it. It's got a little bit of red pepper in it, oregano, and some other stuff. Like I say, the recipe for this rub will be right over here. It's really good. Now we got a coat on this side. We're just going to turn them over, just like that. And then we're going to put a little bit of oil on this side. Like I say, this you can use vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil, but any type of oil it just helps the skin not get so rubbery on chicken whenever you're smoking them or doing them on a grill. Just makes them so much better. Plus it helps the rub stick a little better. So just going to put these on there. And there's even been a few people that I've seen put baking powder on the skin. I don't do that because you're adding, I don't know, to me it gives it a salty flavor to it. So we're just going to coat these real good. This is going to be some really good chicken leg quarters here. They're real easy, real quick to make, and your family will love them. So, all right, got a good coat on them. Now let's get out and get our Weber Kettle fixed up, get it going. I'll show you how I do that. Okay, we're going to put our little tray right in here. We're going to dump our charcoal in it, just like that. Okay, we're going to set this right over here. And I've got a piece of hickory I'm going to put right on there. Now then, I'm going to put this right on there. Open up our vent all the way and let this booger warm up. And I'll be right back. Okay, our Weber Kettle's up to temp. Let's go get these on. Okay, let's get these bad boys on here. See if I can get there we go. Now we're just going to place these over here on this side. Just like this. We're just going to let them smoke in that hickory smoke. Man, these are going to be so good. There we go. Now we'll let these run for a while and I'll be right back. Okay, our chicken's just about done. We're going to go out and put some barbecue sauce on it. So, come on. All right. Boy, they're looking good. Just put a little bit of this barbecue sauce on it. Make these so good. Oh yeah. Now we talking. That hickory is going to do a number on these. This barbecue sauce and that rub. All right, let these go for about 20 more minutes. We'll be ready to eat. Okay, our chicken leg quarters are done. Man, they smell really good. I know I say that every time, but these really do. And before we get started with this, before I cut me a piece off here and try it, we just mixed up a real easy rub, and I put the ingredient list earlier in the video, and I'll also put it down in the description. Hey, while you're down in the description, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think or what you do different. But I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women that are serving in our military and to all of our veterans. And I'm fixing to try me some of this because I'm getting hungry. Just going to cut me a small piece off here. Oh man, it's juicy too. Man, I want you to look at that. Skin cut real easy. Man, that barbecue sauce and that rub with that hickory set it off just perfect. This is great. Real easy recipe. I really hope you try it. And thanks again for watching my videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.